Child, these sneakers is gonna have me wearing sneakers because they are really, really cute. I love them. So cute. Like, hey, who's calling? Oh, you calling? Oh. My YouTube followers and all YouTubers alike, it is your girl Tanisha, aka She's a Model, and I am here to do, guess what, y'all? Another Temu review. All right, so this Temu review, I picked up so many nice items. I really want to share with you guys what I picked up, how they look, and I want to share with you guys how they look on me. If you're aware of my channel, I have a lot of Temu content. I got this jewelry from Temu. Make sure you guys check out my jewelry haul as well. I'm just gonna get right into the video so you guys can see exactly what I ordered, okay? I am roughly a size large. It's sometimes a size medium, but I am mostly a size large. I did purchase outfits. I purchased a pair of shoes. We're gonna get into that in a little bit. And I purchased some other miscellaneous items. We're gonna start with the phone cases. All right, so I got 3 phone cases, I believe. I see 2 right here, but let me just double check. I actually have an iPhone, what is it? iPhone 12s Pro or something, 12 Pro S, whatever. This is my normal iPhone case. Even though this one is still nice, I wanted to try some new phone cases out. I only paid I think $25 for these phone cases. They are so worth it. All right, so this is the phone case that I wanted. Okay, and this is the phone case that I got. It's so beautiful. The texture is soft, feels like great quality, and it feels very durable. It does fit the phone perfectly, which is really, really nice. Look at that, y'all. It says good things take time. This is so cute. Like I said, I only paid $125 for this. I bought 3 of them. I love it, you guys. Very, very cute. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the next phone case that I did purchase. So this phone case is actually a cute little matte black phone case. This is what I wanted. And this is what I got. As you guys can see, the similarities from what I wanted and what I got are very, very, very good. And this is how it looks on my phone. Look at that, you guys. So cute. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with the 3rd and final phone case that I did pick up. This is what I ordered. I wanted something that, you know, promoted my Lord, and I just picked up this phone case. This is how the phone case looks on my phone. It fits perfectly. So if you're ever wondering, like, oh, if you have an iPhone or if you have a phone and you're not sure if it's gonna fit, it'll fit perfectly, you guys. This is so cute. Now I have different phone cases that I can just change and choose from whenever I want to. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull another product that I purchased. All right, so this product that I purchased, it was a waist trainer. So I want to show you guys exactly how this waist trainer looks on me. I purchased this in an extra large. This is how it's supposed to look. Alright guys, and this is what I got. So this I really love because it's so stretchy, you guys. It's very, very stretchy. I can't wait to put it on and show you guys exactly how it looks. The color is so pretty. Like, I really like the brown tone of it. It's just really, really nice. It's like a nude tone. It's very, very nice, you guys. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with another product that I picked up. I purchased this hat. I wanted to try this hat to see how it looks. It looks really, really cute. It looked really, really cute on Temu. So I said, you know what? Let me try it out. Let me see how it looks to see if I'm going to like it. All right. So this is what I ordered, you guys. All right. And this is the hat that I got. So it has the sign that says God's plan. The hat is a great size for my locks. I did see some people talking about it's too big, but since I have locks, it's perfect for me. And I honestly don't think it's too big. It has interchangeable wires that you can actually change it. Ooh, yeah. This looks really, really cute. I think I might wear this for the rest of the video. Things is perfect. Everything looks great on the hat. I love this hat. Only paid, what was it? $1 something for this hat. It was very, very cheap. Make sure you go ahead and get this hat if you like to represent, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and go in with the next product that I purchased. This is what I ordered. You see that? I thought these jeans were really, really nice. I was like, you know what, let me purchase it and see how it looks. And this is what I got, okay? Look at these jeans, y'all. I think I ordered a size, what was it? Let me see if it tells me on here, 2X. So I ordered a 2X. You have to be very, very careful with your Temu items because sometimes it runs smaller than you think. So this is actually a 2X. Right, you guys, and it fits me perfectly. So comfortable, fits so well. So we're gonna go ahead and go into the next item that I purchased. All right, y'all. So I purchased, y'all. I said, you know what? Listen, this is a disclaimer. If you are a sneaker lover and you only wear name brand sneakers, you guys are probably not gonna be happy with what I purchased. But honestly, I like style. I like my clothes to look good on me. It doesn't necessarily have to be name or brand per se. As long as it looks good, as long as it looks right on me, I love it. All right, so this is what I ordered. I ordered these kicks and I said, you know what, let me see if I can rock it. I have a video shoot coming up for my music video and I wanted to see if I can rock these sneakers with this whole outfit that I have in mind. So I'm just gonna pull out the shoes and show you guys how they look in person, okay? All right, so these are the shoes. Look how fly these are, y'all. Look at that. You can't tell me these shoes is not it. Like, these shoes are really, really cute. I love the heart. They're very, very sturdy. They don't feel cheap at all. I believe I only paid like $22 for these shoes, y'all. Can you believe that? Look at them. They are so cute. I love them. These are gonna be one of my go-to sneakers that I wear in the summertime when I just wanna look cute. You know, I could wear it with my shirts. This is really, really cute. And I'm not really a sneaker girl, but child, these sneakers is gonna have me wearing sneakers because they are really, really cute. I love them. So cute. Like, hey, who's calling? Oh, you calling? Oh. All right, let me stop. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the next product that I purchased. Ooh, I actually forgot that I purchased this. This is a cute little ring. Like I said, you guys, I do have a Temu tutorial video on all of the jewelries that I purchased from Temu thus far. This necklace I did pick up on Temu along with the bracelet. See if you guys can see it. It's such a cute bracelet, you guys. I really, really love it. So I just love Temu's jewelry because the jewelry does not change at all right? And this is what I wanted for this ring. It's actually like a cute little Jesus ring. And you guys, this is what I got. Look at this ring. You guys can see. I don't know if you guys can actually see the detail on this ring. Like, it's so nice. It feels so good too. Like, the ring itself feels very good. I'm gonna see if I can close up, show you guys the detail of the ring. It might be reflecting a little bit too much, but if you can see it, you guys, it's really, really, really cute. Feels great on my hand. I'm probably gonna, like I said, I'm probably gonna keep this on for the rest of the video as well. I really love this ring. It's so cute. All right, so let's just go ahead and go in with the next item that I purchased. So I want to start traveling, okay? I want to take trips, and I want to take trips overseas. So I am in the process of getting my passport along with everyone else in my family. So I wanted to get something that looks cute on my passport, and I saw this in my suggested. So I'm like, you know what? Let me purchase this, all right? So this is what I ordered. I said, you know what? Let me see how this looks in person. Let me see if the quality is actually real good. Look at what I got. Look how cute this is. Look at that. And it has a little thing that you put inside of it. Yeah, Temu. Don't tell me that Temu ain't it. Like I saw something like a post with a pink passport, and I'm like, how did they get their passport pink? Not knowing that it's actually the cover. So now I got a pink passport cover. So cute. Catching trips all summer long. All right, this is really cute, y'all. I really love this. Look at that. I purchased 2 pairs of sweaters, okay? And I'm just gonna show you guys how these sweaters look. Now these sweaters are faith-based sweaters because I do love purchasing faith-based items because I am very strong in my faith, all right? If you guys are interested in knowing how you can get closer to God, make sure you guys check out my recent video, my last video before this one. And it's gonna give you some tips on how to get closer to God, all right, you guys? So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out the sweater that I got. All right, so let me just show you guys. This is what I ordered. This is how the item is supposed to look. This is the item out of the bag. Look at that, y'all. This is really cute. It says, Jesus is King. Very cozy. I do have a lot of items that I purchased on Temu that has this nice cozy texture and feel. So I personally really love it. Now I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on me. The fabric is great. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all how it looks on me. All right, y'all, so that was the other sweater. So this is the second sweater that I purchased. This is how it's supposed to look, and this is how it actually looks now. So I'm just pulling it out the bag. Comes with a nice little plastic piece of paper too as well to protect it. Look at that, y'all. These sweaters are so freaking cute. It says, love like Jesus. I probably just heard nothing but static, but yeah, it says love like Jesus. You guys can see that. Ooh, this is really nice, y'all. So cute. I got so many nice outfits, you guys. So we have one more and final item. This is what I ordered. I wanted these curly rods to curl my locks. I'm probably gonna curl my locks for my video shoot, and then I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to actually do it. So I just wanted to pick these up on Temu because the price was so reasonable. Like, the price was very cheap. So I said, let me pick it up on Temu and let me do a review for it. All right, so that's what I ordered, okay? And this is what I got. All right, I'm just gonna open a few just to see how much good of a quality it actually is. If you like to have your hair in curly rods, this doesn't just have to be for locks. It can be for whatever type of style you have. These are perfect, all right? This would be my first time using them, but I can just look at tutorials and I should be fine. So yeah, it looks pretty decent, okay? It doesn't really matter where you get these from. They're gonna fall out sometimes, but these seem really nice. So I'm pretty excited to try them when I finally do. Let me see if I can do one real quick. Mind you, I don't even know how to do it, but think you just take that, you leave it like that. I don't know, child. I didn't roll it up all the way, but like that. And then you just leave it like that. I'm gonna take it out really quick because I don't have time, but see, looky, the little curl. No, it didn't work because I need to do it better, but yeah, so I just picked up these so that when I actually do it the right way, it's gonna look good. All right, guys, so that concludes my Temu haul. I picked up a lot of good stuff. As always, I always love sharing with you guys my Temu products that I purchased. If you want to pick up some items and you want a huge discount, use my coupon code below. This is for new users only. You are able to use that code and you can save so much money. All right, thank you guys again so much for watching. Please make sure you hit that like button. You know, it doesn't take a lot to support someone. You know, even just saying, putting fire emojis in the comments, whatever you guys can do, it means the world. My content is going to get only better. I'm not gonna let you guys down, so just help a sister out, you know. Subscribe to my channel. I have started my YouTube channel for, I would say, about maybe 4 months now, and I'm already at 871 subscribers, and I'm just so grateful. You know, I want to thank everybody that has touched base and subscribed with me. I have so much more in store, you guys. All right, like I said, don't forget to hit that like button. Comment, even if it's just a fire emoji. Even if you don't want to comment, just you know, I'd be so grateful for you to just so I can push this out and share it to others. All right, you guys, so comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. One love, y'all.